So this area of my house is really, I see it all the time. This is kind of like the front door for me. I want something that's just so beautiful and inviting as I come into the mudroom and the laundry room to my house. That is why we are teaming up with Southwest Exteriors to get a better door. It's something that's so beautiful and functional. We picked a door from Southwest Exterior that is going to be glass from top to bottom. So when I'm in the laundry room getting things done, I'm still able to see my favorite part of my house, which is the outside. And we also are getting blinds in between the window panes. So when my kids need to run in to put on their swimsuit, they just close the blinds to have privacy, and then they can run on out and jump in the pool. So I'm really, really excited for the door that we're getting with Southwest Exteriors. It's going to be functional, but also so beautiful. Okay, today is the day where I'm finally saying goodbye to this old door. The old door is gone and they have taken everything away. I'm totally being a creeper, but look at it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's so pretty.